Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish idiom. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase some flashcards. Also, you can get a membership on this channel that supports the creation of future lessons. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish idiom of the day is estar a la altura de. Estar a la altura de. This means to be at the level of, to measure up to, or to live up to. Okay? And it literally means to be at the height. We're talking about levels. Essentially, we're talking about good quality. When something is good quality, or when someone has the education to do something really, really well. Okay? Let's see how to use this idiom. Este hotel está a la altura de otros hoteles lujosos. Este hotel está a la altura de otros hoteles lujosos. This means this hotel is at the level of other luxurious hotels. Okay, so we're talking about a hotel that is at the level of other luxurious hotels. Está a la altura de. Okay, so este hotel, this hotel, está a la altura de, is at the level of otros hoteles lujosos, other luxurious hotels. Okay, so yeah, we can see that this hotel that we're talking about has a good service, or it looks very luxurious. The next example is: el espectáculo no estuvo a la altura de otros. El espectáculo no estuvo a la altura de otros. This means the show didn't measure up to others or to other shows. So we can see here in this example how estar a la altura de means to measure up to. So we have estar a la altura de right here, and it means measure up to. El espectáculo, the show, no, didn't, estuvo a la altura de, measure up to, otros, others, or other shows. So something really important to remember is this, and that is the Spanish verb estar. So in order to use this idiom, you need to know the conjugation of this verb. If you want to learn it in an easy way, you can purchase the downloadable flashcards that I have on smlessons.com or on my Etsy shop. In this specific set of the conjugation of the Spanish verb estar. Okay, so you need to know this verb in order to use this idiom. Okay, let's move on. La película no estuvo a la altura de mis expectativas. La película no estuvo a la altura de mis expectativas. This means the movie didn't live up to my expectations. So we can see here that estuvo a la altura de means live up to live up to. La película, the movie, no estuvo a la altura de, didn't live up to mis expectativas, my expectations. Okay, so this phrase right here, from here up to here, that phrase is very common in Spanish. Estar a la altura de mis expectativas pretty much means to live up to my expectations. Okay, so that is a whole phrase that is very useful in Spanish, and it's used to express something that is close to your expectations, or pretty much met your expectations. Or, well, it depends. If you use it in a negative way, you can say no estuvo a la altura de mis expectativas, using no, and that means it didn't live up to my expectations. Okay, so that is very interesting. We just have to include mis expectativas. Okay, and that means my expectations. Okay, let's see another 3 examples to understand a little bit more this idiom and how it works in Spanish. Okay. María siempre está a la altura de las mejores estudiantes. María siempre está a la altura de las mejores estudiantes. This means Maria is always at the level of the best students. Okay, so we can see that we're talking about someone who is very smart, who is prepared, who is educated. Okay, so we can see here that está a la altura de means is at the level of. Okay, so María siempre, Maria always, está a la altura de is at the level of, okay, las mejores estudiantes, the best students. So we're talking about a group of women here. The students are women, but we can say los mejores estudiantes as well. So we only have to change this letter to O. And now we're talking about male, female students, so that's a bigger group, okay? María siempre está a la altura de los mejores estudiantes. Maria is always at the level of the best students. Okay, let's see 2 more examples. The next one is: el país no está a la altura de otros países. El país no está a la altura de otros países. This means the country is not at the level of other countries. So, something is not right. A country is not as prepared or as, I don't know, progressive than other countries. So, that can be the case in this situation. El país, the country, no está a la altura de, is not at the level of otros países, other countries. So we might be talking about poverty. Maybe the country has other issues, the government is not that good, or I don't know, corruption, who knows. So essentially we're saying that a country needs more work in order to be a good country. Okay, that's just a general idea. And lastly, we have one more example. Los productos siempre están a la altura de las expectativas. Los productos siempre están a la altura de las expectativas. This means the products always live up to expectations. So we're talking about some quality here. We're talking about products that are really good quality, that the company has high standards, that they have very, very good products. Okay, so están a la altura de, live up to. Okay, that's what this means in this situation. Okay, los productos, the products, siempre, always, están a la altura de, live up to las expectativas. Expectations, okay? Once again, we have this common phrase that is están a la altura de las expectativas, and that means to live up to expectations, okay? So that's interesting how we're talking about different situations and how this idiom can be used in those situations, because we are talking about quality, we're talking about be prepared, be educated, we're talking about perfection, okay? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's remember that estar a la altura de means to be at the level of, or to measure up to, or to live up to. It depends on the situation. And it literally means to be at the height. You know, I assume it is a very high height. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons, to download flashcards, and if you want to donate to this channel, you can do that through PayPal on smlessons.com as well. I'm leaving all the links down below, or you can get a membership on this channel. That helps this channel a lot. Another easy way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.